Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of August 12th through the 18th. So let's take a look back at the previous week. This is the current week. I used a kit from Nikki Plus 3. I love the way this spread turned out. I have been pretty busy this week because I got back from Austin from the SPC party on Monday. If you guys haven't seen my SPC party video, please check it out. I talk about my experience. I show you guys my swag. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them either a comment in that video or a comment in this video. I'd be glad to answer any questions for you guys. So today is currently Thursday. I did have a little bit of a tough start this week because pretty much my stomach, my IBS or whatever it is that I have, my anxiety was pretty high that weekend. It flared up on the trip. So I was pretty low on energy on Monday when I came back and even on Tuesday. So I wasn't able to film a lot of the videos that I had intended to film by Wednesday. So I am doing a lot of filming today on Thursday just to try and catch up on some videos. But you know, everything else has been going on track except for my yoga. I wasn't able to go to yoga Monday evening or Wednesday. I mean, I'm going to try to work out today, but we'll see how that goes. And I do intend on going to yoga tomorrow because I do feel a little bit better. My energy is coming back and I just feel like I need a very good stretch. I have a game night planned for Saturday. I'm going over to a friend's house for game night. But this weekend, I'm pretty much just going to spend like relaxing, cleaning my house, trying to get some shop stuff done because I do want to open up that shop by the end of the month. And then I have my planner meetup on Sunday. So yeah, let's look at the kits that I'm going to be using for this week. I have a kit here from a shop called Sophie Rose Paper Shop. This kit is called Blogger Babe. Now this shop is not currently open. She is taking a little bit of a break right now because she is a grad student. But if she does ever open up, I would highly suggest checking out this shop because she has premium matte paper, super soft, super buttery, and I really like her style. So it's just a very peachy pink colored kit. It does have little pockets of green, so I did pull in a lot of green to try to coordinate with this kit. It is a pretty big kit, so it's got full boxes, glitter headers, some half boxes, quarter boxes, deco, flags. The bottom washi is absolutely lovely. It has these macaroons here. She does have date covers, which I am using, and then these are also date dots from her shop. And then these are like not quite double boxes, but they are pretty tall boxes. So I'm going to be pulling that in this week, and the foil that I'm going to be using is gold foil. So I've pulled in some things from Scribble Prints Co. I have these like very fine like confetti dot headers. I have some Caress Press like heart full box overlays, and then I have a full box overlay that I want to use from the Sticky Committee, that it's the girls quote box, and I want to say I want to use this one right here, The Future is Female. I just really want to get inspired next week to start working on my shop. I've already done my pre-planning for the week. So here are some stickers, some icons that I pulled in. And then I have my hydration trackers from Planner Kate and my film edit and upload stickers from Planner Kate. Yeah, so the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover and I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, so how's your week going? My week's been going pretty okay. It's been a little bit crazy. Like I said, I'm not quite recovered yet from Austin. I think that's definitely because of my stomach. But traveling, of course, always makes you tired. The time zone difference wasn't bad. They were just an hour, behind, and I don't really think it's like the jet lag or anything like that. I think it's just my stomach acting up. But like I said, I'm slowly recovering. I haven't been as productive this week. Hopefully I'll get back on track. Today's currently Saturday when I'm filming this voiceover. So most of the week, of course, has gone by. We had a game night last night with some friends. And I wasn't 100%. I played like one game, but I wasn't really feeling it. So I just chilled with my friend and we just chit-chatted while everyone else played. Ooh, I do want to point out that I have been loving this Color Love collection from Simply Gilded. I'm gonna check to see if she still has any of these in stock. I know she's doing a restock, or she already did a restock or something like that. I never got to pick up the bow, the 15 millimeter and the 10 millimeter set, so I do want to pick that up. But I think I want to get a backup of the star and the 5 millimeter bows, because I've just been using them in a lot of spreads, especially in my Hobonichi weeks. I just really like the addition of the colored foil. I find that the colors are very easy to match, especially in the summertime, like the blue, the green, the yellow, and the pink. So yeah, I've just been really, really loving these little washies. So yeah, this week like I said, I do have a few videos that I wanted to film. I want to start pre-filming a few videos too, because in the next week, like on the 20th, I do have my first orientation for student teaching. And it's like a 5-hour orientation. So I know I'm going to be pretty exhausted. And then the week after that, I start school back up. But I think that the week of the 20th, I'm actually going to start going into the school. I haven't made contact yet with the teacher who's going to be my mentor, but I believe I do have to go in the week before school actually starts. And so classes at the school that I'm going to be teaching, at the high school I'm going to be teaching at, actually start the same week that my classes start. So I just want to make sure I'm prepared for everything, and I have all of these videos filmed, ready to go, so that I could really focus on kicking off the school year, just in case I'm either exhausted, because my schedule is going to be crazy. I have one day where I'm going to be on campus until like 10 o'clock at night. I think my class gets out like 9:45 or something like that. So I won't be home till like 10:30ish. I'm just going to be exhausted. Thankfully, this semester it worked out where I do have 2 days that I am completely free on Monday and Fridays. And I'm also going to be teaching a 10-week course, the Spanish courses that I normally teach. That's not going to start until October, so it's kind of nice that I'll have that time to kind of get into the groove of things. So let's look into day by day. On Monday, of course, I have my yoga schedule. I've been really bad about yoga, you guys, after the trip. Like I said, I just needed recovery time, so I'm going to go in full force next week with my my yoga basics class on Monday. I do have a therapy appointment. This will be the second session with my therapist. I'm really excited and looking forward to that session. And then, of course, I marked Hello Monday for Monday. I just want to use up some of these stickers that I got. The Hello Monday stickers are from Tasseled Planner. So Tuesday, I marked $2 Tuesday because there are a few shops that I want to shop from, like Sadie Stickers. And then I have a weight training, so I marked Gym Day. And then I have to drop off my kitty. He is getting some imaging done on Tuesday. So Wednesday I marked yoga. I have hatha yoga in the morning, and I want to film quite a few videos, so I left it blank, and I left a lot of space just in case I needed to mark more things that I needed to do on Wednesday. Thursday, again, another weight training day, and the film stickers. I want to film my plan with me and a few other videos. On Friday, I have my gentle yoga. This is a class that I look forward to all week because it kind of resets me, re-energizes me, and gets me ready for the weekend. And then I have a game night with a friend that I actually reconnected with. We used to go to, or we do go to the same college. So we're going to have a game night with her and her boyfriend and some of her friends, and I want to start editing some videos on Friday. Saturday, I don't have much planned except for editing videos, maybe cleaning the house. Maybe we'll have a game night with some of my friends, but I've left for the most part that open. And then on Sundays, I've marked getting a pedicure done with my friend, grabbing some groceries on the way home, and then of course relaxing and unwinding from the week with a nice face mask. So yeah, that is my completed spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and then on Sundays I like to post a plan with me. So I hope I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.